Windhaven mushroom setup. Very simple timer. We have our timer line side feeding into a 24 volt alternating current transformer. 120 volt this side, 24 volt alternating current this side. That feeds into terminal A1 and A2, which supplies power to the timer. From there, we have a jumper from A1 to actuate terminal 15. Okay, so what happens is whenever the circuit is closed, terminal 15 jumps down to terminal 18 and then engages the contactor. The neutral side or negative side is hardwired to terminal A2, which has our negative side of our 24 volt circuit. So hardwired, jumpered. So we've got our power in. Our activator comes off of this wire here, runs down the activator wire to the activator and back, comes back through this white wire here to terminal B1. So when the activator is engaged, terminal B1 momentarily receives signal and starts the timer. When the timer is on, like I mentioned earlier, terminal 15 is jumped down to terminal 18, which then engages the contactor. Contactor has line side here, load side here, runs over to a spec Model 95 5 horsepower pump. Back to the timer. We are on the WS setting for 1 shot, meaning when the timer is engaged, we just have 1 cycle. There is no delay. And we're set for 1 hour and the full length of the hour here. This is a TRL07 timer, a 24 volt alternating current, 40 amp contactor, and a 24 volt alternating transformer.